guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I've been gone off of here for so long. I think I was just looking and it had been like 2.5 weeks since my last upload. I'm sweating actually right now. We just went for lunch with the girls and Ryan's mom's visiting, so it was just really hot today. But before I roll right into this video, and I have a bunch of stuff actually like over the last few weeks, just things to share with you, hauls. I did a grocery haul. I thought I'd just like make a fun vlog for today and kind of get back into things. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, I had some just like terrible news that I had shared and made a little video of, but one of my good friends passed away suddenly 2 Mondays ago, and I just needed to take time off, you guys. It has been a really hard last few weeks. I needed to spend a lot of time with family and with his wife, and I don't want to talk too much about it, and I think, yeah, the most important thing was just for me to be surrounded by friends and family and just grieve in my own terms, my own way. But yeah, it was just very tragic, and I'm there for his wife Chantel. They have Callie, their baby girl. She just turned 3, and their unborn son that's on the way. I have a GoFundMe link if you guys are able to donate anything. I know it would mean so much to Chantel. I cannot imagine having to raise her kids, on her own now, and I'm trying to help out as much as I can. I've actually hired her to help me with work, which we start tomorrow, and I'm so excited. She has such a good heart, and she's such a good person. And also my friend Eric was the most amazing person as well, and we miss him dearly, and we're always thinking about him. So I didn't want this video to be, just about me and like everything, I've been going through it and just being down. I wanted to be, getting into my work life again and just doing fun things that I enjoy and I love. I do have his little card that's in my office right there. That was from his celebration of life. I know you guys have probably seen him in a lot of my photos, and, he always went to, all the girls' birthdays and stuff, so I'm sure you saw him at some point in one of my videos that I've done on Instagram or something. But yeah, okay, well, I am going to roll right in. Thank you guys also for all the messages and sending prayers. I know so many of you guys sent prayers to his family and to Chantel and to me and just to everybody, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. On another note, there's a lot of stuff going on behind me here. So if you saw my Instagram, I'll share a little sneak peek right here, little clip of a sneak peek video I did for all of the new launches I have. So I told you, I've been working on a lot of stuff. This new collection, this next collection is a pink collection. It's for all my pink lovers, and you guys know my roots are pink. It's why I started my brand, how I started my brand, and I think you're going to love this collection so much. Like the baby doll collection is my favorite. I cannot wait. You guys are going, sorry, my camera just died, but I was saying you're going to love this collection. I think it's by far my favorite, and it brings me back to like my childhood. It's so girly, so glamorous and pink, and I'm just so excited. There's more than one piece in the collection, so you can buy everything individually and then also sell it all as a bundle, as I usually like to do. But yeah, I'm gonna roll right into this video and just kind of share with you guys everything. I guess I had a big Sephora haul. Well, everything is everywhere right now. I got this like big bag from Sephora. I bought like a bunch of body creams and stuff. Yeah, so I've got a lot of stuff to share with you guys. Also, I just went grocery shopping. I thought I'd do a little haul with you. We're gonna do chef's plate today for dinner, but just show you guys everything I got. Look at this, you guys. My office is loaded up with stuff right now. I had to like maneuver everything around because my office is so full of stuff, but I'm so excited. You can just see here how many different pink launches we have, and I'm so excited. The packaging turned out so nice. So once, the photos are done, I'm getting the professional ones done this week, so I will start to do more sneak peeks, and it should launch within, I'd say, about maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks, like just before August. Also, it would not be a vlog without doing a giveaway. You guys know I've been keeping my word and doing so many giveaways with you. So win the pink makeup case. Also, newest Black Glam set, so the 15-piece. You guys can win both items. All you guys have to do is comment down below what you have planned for August. Could be anything, and I just love hearing from you in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed. Winner will be in my next vlog. So I think you know by now me and my sneak peeks. But we are getting really close to launch, so I shared a sneak peek on Instagram and I'm so excited. This is like my girliest brush set I've ever done. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm not going to reveal the brushes yet, but I thought I'd reveal the box packaging. It's so pretty. Also, I have a wedding to go to in Victoria on Sunday, actually. I'm going with Chantel, and I have no idea what to wear. I was going to buy something new or wear, you remember I wore one of these, I think it was my brother's wedding, and then one at my friend Brian's wedding. I think it was like the pink one. Let me know though, should I just wear one of these, or should I buy a new dress? I don't know. They are really nice though for weddings, and I love the lace. I have kind of worn them before. I don't know if I have anything else wedding friendly. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Aritzia maybe tomorrow. Oh, I didn't even know I had this. This is really cute. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Aritzia tomorrow and see if they have anything, or just like try to find a new dress, and if I can't, then I'll just wear one of these. House is literally packed with stock. You guys have no idea, but we're getting so close to all these launches. As I said, we have a Mia Sophia launch coming very soon. Okay, my kitchen is a little bit of a mess. I've got like lots of stuff out right now. We've been in the midst of cleaning, but also we have some of these for Chef's Plate. So I'm still paying for Chef's Plate. I love it. Like, it's just so easy. Oh, this looks delicious. Taco salad. We have a pasta. Ryan and I are actually going to go to a car show tonight. So I think I might make something quite light like this. Thought I would quickly show you guys just what I got from my grocery haul today. I didn't have time to put everything in like all nicely, but I just thought I'd quickly show you. We've got watermelon, we have broccoli, we have, okay, this is the best dip ever. The Mexican style 7-layer dip. Gonna dig into that after. We have peppers, we have orange tomatoes, carrots that I got, oranges. These are my favorite ever. These right here, if you haven't tried them, they are delicious. And I also got the hot ones here. We've got cheese for the girls. We love those. More cheese, cherries. Look at that. I have not got cherries all year so far. Cream cheese, I think I got the herb and garlic one. And then the girls' favorite yogurts are these ones right here. I get the ones that have like less sugar. We have Chef's Plate. These are my favorite pickles. I got hot ones. And then we have some like pepperoni sticks, hot dogs. I got pizza for the girls. We just went to Earl's, so we have some leftovers. We have eggs. I got milk. You guys remember when we went to that winery? I got this wine. It's so nice. We had it last night with dinner. Pinot Blanc and Grey Monk. It's really good. I think I'm going to buy more of that because it's really good. And then the other thing I got, extra hot salsa. Also got a ton of stuff. Like I got this, what's called right here. We have the Water Babies. I guess I got the, oh yeah, non-irritating version of sunscreen. And we've got like 2 nail polishes right here. My friend came and dropped off some Saint Tropez. We got different ones there, and then we have some sunscreens. We have like a little mitt. I bought this actually at Home Sense a few weeks ago. I don't even know if I showed you yet, but I'm looking for something to go inside it. And then also, we have scissors out right now. We've been cutting stuff because Ryan's mom brought a bunch of stuff for the girls. We've got stickers. She got them like water paint sticks. This as well, which they're probably going to love opening right here. We have frozen treats and like popsicles and cookies. She got that at Indigo, which I think is so fun. I actually bought a ton of stuff today from the dollar store for the girl's 4th birthday. I found really cute like pineapple cups and all that sorts of stuff. So I'll show you guys that once I get it all out of my trunk. Okay, we have dollar store haul right here, and I actually went and grabbed a bunch of these. Or I got these at Save-On, but look how cute these are. Just like little thank you cards. I thought I would add these to the PR boxes that I'm going to be sending out, which I'm going to be working on this week. Can't believe we're getting so close to more launches. Okay, I bought 30 of these because last year we got hit with so many kids, and a lot of our neighbors' kids came too. So I just want to make sure I have enough for everybody. I'd rather buy a little bit over than, you know, under and someone doesn't get one. So look how fun that is. So on brand and so on party. You guys know I've loved pineapples, and you know by what I mean on brand, because Ryan proposed in Maui, and I've had pineapples in like my office and my room since I can remember, so I know you know what I'm talking about. Pineapple frames, like everything pineapple. I bought like pineapple keychains. I was like super obsessed at one point. Right here, I thought these would be fun for the adults, like people that want either juice or put like watered ice in here or something like that. I just thought these were fun. So they came in like all different colors, like yellow, green, I think. Yeah, like I bought, I think 27 of these as well, so there's a ton. I also got tissue paper, so this is for my brand actually. I don't do PR packages all the time, like sometimes they get shipped from my fulfillment, but I wanted to start doing them to make them like really special, and you know, so I bought some tissue. Oh my gosh, okay, pineapple overload. Ooh. So I got these cute little trays right here. I think they're great for like the kids' snacks and stuff, or like little sandwiches that I could put out. But again, like the dollar store is awesome. Like look at that. Like that's great. So that, and I think I got some other like little random things for like goodie bags. So I got these two party favors, and I'm still not done. I definitely have to find more things, but just thought these were fun for now. My closet is a little bit of a mess, but a few things that I got from that Sephora haul. I bought like a body spray, which I've really been enjoying that. They're having like a promotion, this brand. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but this body cream smells heavenly. Like I've gone through like half of it. Look at that. Smells so good. Just be careful. Like I've gotten eaten alive by mosquitoes, so I'm just careful on when I wear it. Also, the Coco Cabana bronze I've been using a lot. And then I bought this, ooh, the Patrick Ta, sorry, Major Volume Plumping Gloss. This is so good. I'm like obsessed with this. And then of course I got my new black brushes in here as well. Just doing some photos and videos for Instagram with this. I got a few things from Aritzia the other day. So I got these like long style shorts right here that my friend actually always wears, but they look really comfortable. From the Wilfred brand, and they were 23 bucks. So got those. I also got this, which I think it's Billabong. Got it at Nordstrom, which I thought was really cute. And then I got this yellow t-shirt from Aritzia. Also this other yellow shirt, Wilfred. I wore this the other day actually. It's really cute and like flowy, with like jean shorts. And then I also got this jumper from, I never really wear black, but you know, since I launched the new brushes, I'm wearing a lot of black lately, or buying a lot of black at least. But this jumper I got from Winners, and it was like 23 bucks. It's like long, so I thought that would be really cute. And then the last thing I got here, which I thought was so pretty for just summer, like an off-the-shoulder crop or just tank top. So this was our pink rose, and it was like $16.99 from Winners, so really cute. This was the other thing I just bought, the lip sleeping mask. I've actually been watching, I watch like a lot of ASMR on like, on TikTok, and it's so relaxing to watch at night. But yeah, they always seem to use this lip mask, and I just wanted to try it out. It looks really nice and hydrating. Also, I got these books right here. They're from the dollar store. Can you believe that? And the girls, like, they kind of been getting out of like coloring books, and they like just like, I don't know, like open paper like this. They've been taking all my printing paper, so that's why I got them this. But like, see, they like doing like random photos and stuff, so, and doing numbers, so I got them two of these. I reorganized my little closet on this side too, because I've been taking so many photos in here, which I can't share yet, but one of my launches, I was taking like a ton of photos in here, so it is kind of like a little bit of a mess right now, but this side's at least organized. But yeah, I just realized I didn't do an outro, so I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. It's short and sweet, but I really missed you guys, and I'll have a new video coming up this week. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway, and of course I will see you guys in my next video.
But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me.